SmartDraw's Gauge Data Visualizer allows you to add a gauge to your workspace. It's a great way to enhance an infographic, add relevant information during brainstorming on a digital whiteboard, and more. With any template opened, click the plus icon to switch the Smart panel into the Insert Content view. Once on the Insert Content view, select the Add Data Visualizer section and click on Gauge. Choose the type of gauge you want to insert. You can always change your mind later and easily reformat it to a different type. Once a gauge is inserted, you can edit the value in a few different ways. The easiest is to simply double-click the inserted gauge. This will open a dialog where you can update the current value, change the maximum or minimum value, or update the type of gauge displayed. Or you can choose Edit Gauge from the Gauge menu. You can also switch to the Data view using the database icon in the left bar and click on Data and edit the values there.